Hello, this is Luciana Paulise helping you make a micro change every week in your leadership style. Today, we're going to talk about how you can transform your leadership through paying more attention to your employees. Attend is a very important part of the CARE program. Stay with me to learn more about what it means and how you can make improvements on your style. So as you can see, we have already seen the connection, the C for connection, and now we're gonna see the A for attention, the second step in our care leadership transformation. Now, what is the value of attention? What is it that is so important? It means that you need to be present, to listen, give care and attention to your team. When everyone is working on the same site, employees have the luxury to rely on leaders' decision-making process. What happens when you have a remote team? Maybe some of your team is on site and some of part of your team is working in a remote location. When workers are on their own, are at home, they have to learn to be more self-reliant. They cannot contact you every time, and you cannot keep wandering every time with them because it's a very difficult task to do, and you're not empowering them. So what you have to do when you have a remote team is to improve the flow of the work by pushing decision making to the front line, to your team, to your employees, so that decisions are made faster. It's not only that decisions are made faster by them, but they also get different perspectives. If you're the only one making decisions, you have your own perspective. So what we have to make here is work with the employees so that you can get not only your point of view, but their point of view. And you also can get the point of view of the customer because the employees are the ones that are closer to the customer, what they need, how they need it, how you can improve the process, how you can improve the product or the service. So it's very important that in this step, we listen more actively. We learn to listen and observe in a different way. The key here is leading with questions, not with orders. Rather than giving orders, leaders in agile organizations learn to guide with questions such as what do you recommend and how we test that. These management styles help functional experts grow into general managers, and it helps enterprise strategies and organizations evolve from silos that you have collaborative cross-functional teams. Leaders are usually considered heroes. They're supposed to make all the right decisions. But the right thing is that um, leaders' role is not to make all the decisions, but to help remove obstacles and allocate resources up front so that other people that are better prepared and are more on the site can make the right decisions. If you give people an opportunity to feel a sense of control and let them practice making choices, they can learn to exert willpower and be more self-organized. Ask each other why, show employees how to link small tasks or the tasks that they need to do with a larger aspiration, with the purpose of the company. As a leader, leave the hero almighty role and take more the role of the observer and help your team make up their mind by pushing them decision making to them. You have to do that in a way that they feel safe to make mistakes because at the very beginning or nobody's perfect making decisions, not even leaders. So whenever we push decision making to someone else, they will also make mistakes. So you have to create a safe space so that they know that they want to make mistakes, but they are comfortable that they can make a decision and they can move on with that. You can do this by fostering transparency and helping them analyze the risk, remove all the obstacles so that the members can find the answers by themselves. Again, it's not your job to have all the answers, nor to make all the decisions, but it's your job to prepare the right environment for them, for the employees to see the data and be able to analyze the risk to make the good decisions. It's very important that you learn to communicate and listen actively more than ever. Encourage people to share information by democratizing digital folders, documents. You can also have scoreboards. You can do this either face to face or you can do this online. There are many tools that can help you share information in the right way. So it's not that you will only share information top down, but information has also to flow bottom up. It depends how you have uh, your your hierarchy in the company. The most important part is that in communication, hierarchy doesn't have to exist. Everyone in the company has to communicate as much as possible, both ways, from leaders to employees, from employees to leaders, to managers, to customers, to suppliers, because as much information as you get, you are better and seeing the future and making decisions to go there. And last but not least, just I always try to see making decision making in this way is like driving in the snow. Whenever you are with the team trying to make decisions, it's like if you're driving with eggs in the trunk. So you have to be super careful. You have to observe where you are, be attend a lot. What are your surroundings? And this is how you need to act right now. Instead of go directly to where you have to go to the road, just pay more attention to your surroundings. You're not the only one in the road. You have a lot of people in the road that can help you. And if you all move together in sync, that will help you all get to the right place. Bear with me now with the next videos to learn more about the three skills that you need to improve your attention.